Hey there, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this lovely and unique beaded flat Cellini bracelet at home. Cellini stitch is just a variation of peyote stitch. The technique is all about mixing different sizes of beads, so you end up with a gorgeous textured effect. This is really easier than it looks. When you look inside the bracelet, it's like a cup. Actually, it's a beginner's project. I'm using here even count peyote stitch. This is just a flat peyote stitch using graduated bead sizes. So if you are interested to learn this technique, then please go ahead and subscribe my channel and hit the like, share and subscribe button to show love and support. So let's check the material list. So we need some delica beads 11/0, round seed beads 11/0 and round seed beads 8/0 and 3 mm pearl beads and any kind of clasp and jump ring, an extension chain, beading needle number 10 and beading thread 0.20 mm. So before I start the video, I want to clarify one thing. I'm using here 11/0 delica beads. If you don't have delicas, you can use 15/0 beads instead of it. And instead of 3 mm pearl beads, you can use 6/0 seed beads like this another bracelet. You can use 3 mm tire shaped crystal beads too. So at first take 330 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet and leave 10 to 15 cm long thread for the tail. And I'm using here stopper bead, and pass your needle through the stopper bead twice to keep it in place. This will keep your beadwork in place. Pick up 10 silver delica seed beads size 11, and I use here even count peyote stitch. That's why I pick up even number of beads and drop it down to the end. Pick up one bead and skip the bottom one and pass through the next one. Peyote stitch always looks clumsy in the beginning, but don't worry about that. Once you get it set up, it's fairly simple. Again pick up one bead and skip the next and pass through the next one. So keep in mind that this is our second row of the bracelet. Pick up one bead and skip over the next bead and proceed through the following bead like so. Again pick up one bead and skip over the next and pass through the next one. And this is the final. Pick up one bead and skip over the next and pass through the last one. So for my convenience, I flipped the project. Now I'm going to make the next row. Pick up one bead and go through the next sticky outy bead over here. Again pick up one bead and pass through the next up bead or sticky outy bead. Pick up one bead and pass through the next up bead. This is very simple because your hard part is over. Simply continue this until you reach to the end of the row. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name and some quick jewelry tips in this description box right below this video. Please check this out and please consider one like for this free masterclass tutorial. The new row, I pick up one bead and pass through the first sticky outy bead. This is very simple stitch. Again pick up one bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here, and every time you need to continue the same step. So follow the same and continue up to 7 to 8 row. As you can see, I have completed. Now I'm going to make the next step. Pick up one red 11/0 round seed bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here. Again pick up one red seed bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here. Continue doing the same until you reach to the end of your row. According to your convenience, you can turn on or off to the subtitle button in your YouTube settings anytime. Again I pick up one red bead and pass through the last sticky outy bead over here. So for my convenience I flip the project, and again you have to do the same step here. Pick up one red bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here and continue doing the same. So in this way you have to make 4 rows of red color, and you can make more or less according to your choice and design. Which bracelet you like the most, red one or the blue one? Please let me know in the comment section. By the way, red one is my favorite. I completed the 4 rows of 11 red beads. Now I am going to make the size 8 seed beads row. So pick up one size 8 bead and pass through the first red sticky outy bead over here. Pick up one size 8 bead and pass through the next up bead, and continue doing this until you reach to the end of your row. This is very simple. Once you understand the technique, you can make your own design. For the new row, I pick up one bead size 8 and pass through the first sticky outy bead of 8. Again pick up one bead and pass through the next pop-up bead. Just keep doing the same. This is our second row of 8, so I am going to make one more row of 8. So in total we need to make 3 rows of 8 here. You can make more or less according to your choice and design. So I hope you understand the technique well. If yes, then please hit the like button, because it takes lots of time and efforts. So as you can see, I have completed 3 rows of 8 beads. Now I am going to make the 3 mm pearl beads row. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next up bead over here. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here. Continue doing the same until you reach to the end of the row. I have completed the row. Now I am picking up one bead and pass through the first red bead. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next up bead over here. Continue doing the same until you reach to the end of your row. It's look like it will never gonna curve, but don't worry, there is a little trick I will show you later. So in this way you have to make total 5 rows of red beads. You can make more or less according to your choice and design. So I completed the 5 rows. So now I am going to share the trick. Simply pull the thread carefully or tightly, like so I am doing here, but don't break your thread. It will automatically curve when you make the 8 beads row. Now pick up one bead of size 8 and pass through the first sticky outy bead over here. Again pick up one bead of size 8 and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here. Again do the same until you reach to the end of your row. Again pull the thread carefully and tightly. Now I am going to make a new row. So pick up one size 8 bead and pass through the first sticky outy bead over here. Pick up one bead and pass through the next pop-up bead and continue doing the same. In this way you have to make in total 3 rows of size 8 bead. After creating every row, you can pull the thread tightly and carefully, but don't break your thread. You can see that it starts creating the shape. Now I am going to make the red 11-0 bead row. Pick up one red 11-0 bead and pass through the first pop-up bead. Again pick up one red bead 11-0 and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here. Again pick up one red bead and pass through the next sticky outy bead over here. Simply continue doing the same. In this way make in total 4 rows of red 11-0 bead. I completed the 4 rows of red bead. Now I am going to make the silver row. So pick up one silver delica bead 11-0 and pass through the first sticky outy bead over here. Again pick up one silver delica bead and pass through the next high bead. Again do the same until you reach to the end of your row. So in this way you need to make 3 rows of silver delica beads. You can make more or less according to your choice and design. Now we have to follow the sequence. We need to make the red 11-0 bead row. We need total 4 rows of red 11-0 beads. Do you like this tutorial or not? Please let me know in the comment section. And from where you watch this video, please let me know, because I want to know more about you and I want to interact with you, my friend. And I am so much grateful to the universe that I have the most beautiful audience like you. They have so much patience to watch such a long videos. I really appreciate it. You can see I complete the 4 row. Now we need to make the 8-0 row. So we have to make the 3 rows of 8-0 beads. I complete the 3 rows. Now we need to make 3 mm beads row. So we need to make 5 rows of 3 mm beads here. Now follow the previous step to continue the bracelet. As you can see, I have completed. Now I am going to finish the bracelet. So we have to reach this middle bead through this way. Simply I am doing zigzag stitch here. This is very simple. Now pick up 7 silver delica beads. Go back through the previous bead over here. At this point you can reinforce here. Now secure the end with couple knots here like so. After tying couple knots, cut off the extra tail thread here. So we need to make the same in the another side. So remove the stop bead and make the same loop over here. Now open the jump ring and attach it with the clasp, and then attach the chain over here, and it's done. So thanks for watching till the end. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.